Today we will be unboxing the Premera LX910, one of Premera's inkjet color label printers. When you open the box, you will notice a USB cord and a power cord. You will also receive a small box with an ink cartridge inside. The printer comes with a single tri-color cartridge. The cartridge that you receive in your box is a high-yield cartridge, and it can accept both a dye or a pigment cartridge. You will receive a dye cartridge with your printer. When you open up your printer, you will notice that inside the cardboard, there's a sample test roll of a 4x3 label. In the LX910, you can use roll-fed pressure-sensitive labels, roll-fed tags, fan-fold labels or tags. They can be gap sensor, timing mark sensor, or continuous labels. It will be able to support labels ranging from 1 inches to 8.25 inches wide. When you purchase a LX910, you are given access to Premera's own label design software, Bartender Ultra Lite. It is compatible with other label design softwares if you prefer to use a different one. Some special features of the Premera LX910 include its ability to print in full color at up to 4.5 inches per second and up to 4800 dpi. Be sure to check out our next video on how to set up the Premera LX910. For labels for your Premera printer, visit smithcorona.com or give us a call at 1-800-875-7000.